Pnawn da bawb, good afternoon everyone, a chroeso nôl am fwy. Welcome back to the second day of the National Seren Academy Conference. To those of you who may be joining for the first time, a very warm welcome to the first virtual Seren Academy Conference 2020. Mae'r croeso'n gynnes iawn I chi. I hope you're all ready for another jam-packed day full of insightful and inspirational support to help you on your journey into higher education. Mae yna lont sach o gynghorion a chefnogaeth yn aros amdanoch chi. Yn hwyrach heno, cychwybod am gyfleon arbennig iawn. Later on this evening, we'll be sharing with you the summer school opportunities for 2021, a sut I wneud cais, and how to apply. So make sure you tune back in at 6 p.m. to hear the announcement. Chwech o'r gloch amdani. We'll also have some very interesting Q&A sessions again this evening. Felly dewch a'ch cwestiynau. So please keep your questions coming in. seren@casba.biz. Ond cyn dechrau dosbarthiadau meistr, before we begin the masterclass sessions, ychydig o wybodaeth I chi. Here are a few housekeeping reminders in case you were unable to join us yesterday. Bydd 2 sesiwn i'r dydd. Today is split into an afternoon and evening session. Bydd sesiynau'r prynhawn, the afternoon sessions, yn gyfle I edrych yn ddyfnach ar bynciau. They'll give you the opportunity to explore academic subjects in depth and help you to start thinking about what course might be right for you at university. Bydd y sesiynau mi nos yn canolbwyntio ar wybodaeth a chyngor. The evening session will focus on information, advice and guidance about university applications and university life. Ar gyfer y pnawn ma, once I finish speaking, you'll need to revisit the lobby area, nôl i'r lobby na. There, you'll find links to the masterclass sessions. A chofiwch, if you'd like the option of watching a masterclass through the medium of Welsh, cofiwch clicio Adran Gymraeg event box. Click on the Cymraeg section of event box. Once you've clicked on the link at the time shown, the session will start automatically. Byddwn nôl fan hyn wedyn. We'll gather back here together at 3:35 to finish this afternoon session and let you know about this evening session. O nôl at pnawn ma, but back to this afternoon. Cewch brofi 2 ddosbarth feistr arall. Over the next 2 hours, you'll have an opportunity to view 2 more masterclasses from a new range of subject choices. Ac amser I fyfyrio, and time for you to reflect on the impact of these and help you plan your next steps. Rydych chi eisoes wedi gwneud eich dewisiadau, felly ewch at y link yn y lobby. You've already chosen your second day choices, so please click on the link to that subject choice in the lobby. Maen nhw bron dechrau. The first classes will begin at 2:15.